शायद ही कभी शाहिद कपूर को इस अवतार में कभी देखा होगा. You've always seen him as the cool guy and the actor who can do a lot of stunts and everything, as in Kameene. But an inspector with this cute, gimmicks all the time. Well, that's not you, but it was difficult, and yet you pulled it off, right?
I mean, yeah, the character's name is Vishwas Rao, and he is a bumbling cop. Actually, he's a fake cop, as the promo suggests. He's not actually a cop, but people mistake him for a cop. So he might make his Phata poster Nikla Hero heroic entry and all that, but then after that, a large part of what he does is a lot of comedy, and that's where the humor of the film comes from.
I'm sure you've been asked this question a lot of times, but still, it somehow reminds us of Chulbul Pandey, maybe, somehow, because, even Chulbul Pandey was that funny cop. And
when I saw the promo, that's the first thing that I felt in the first 10 seconds, because that, that heroic and this and that, all that comes. So I was like, arey yaar, ye to Dabangg type promo lag raha hai. But then the funny part of it is that you see a total spin-off on that character, and actually that's the film, where you see this guy who makes that hero wala entry, and then you see him crying in the next shot, telling the DCP कि मैं inspector नहीं हूँ, and he says ये क्या story है, and he says ये sad story है. So he's that kind of a character.
मज़ेदार बात तो ये है, though we'll miss having you fighting and 10 men flying around you when you do one punch.
No, you won't. That is going to happen.
So that is going to be the Salman Khan action, as it nowadays says.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are doing it. I mean, Salman sir is somebody who we've all grown up watching, and he's somebody who, for all of us, is the superhero. And I think, yeah, we have in the movie, we have him in a scene which is a funny scene, which is a really, really cute scene, where I'm chasing him in a cop uniform, so he thinks a cop is chasing him. So it's really funny. And the whole conversation happens with me on a scooter and him inside his car. That's the entire... It's really funny. It's really cute. But I think every one of us, wants to do one of those films where we, fight with 10 guys and all that jazz happens. So
become a hero.
Yeah, hero बनने का मौका. तो हम actually सब तो hero बने थे ये सब करने के लिए. So finally I'm doing a film where I get that opportunity.
Well, Shahid, one among the fact that you are trying different things and you are doing rom-com, another very interesting change about you is that Shahid 5 years back was very more, was closed, but today you can ask him anything and he gives you an answer for it. So was this a change that you told yourself कि नहीं यार अब मैं बोलूँगा और अब मैं ठीक है आंसर करने वाला हूँ?
My friends told me that they used to say this to me for a while, but I don't know why I've reached that point today where I've become maybe that comfortable. They all told me, Shahid, the person that we talk to as a friend is the person that we want to see you show the world.
Now you're used to it. Before, when you were working in Teri Meri Kahani, Priyanka, there were rumors of, oh, the guys are dating, and now that rumor is back saying Shahid threw a party for Priyanka and maybe they are more than friends. But, how are you handling that?
यार मैंने party रखी थी because I felt like partying. And, Priyanka's a friend, and she was on the guest list, and she came home along with a lot of other people who came home. And when you read these things in the paper, you just smile and you turn the page. I mean, they're going to find their own version and they're going to make up their own version of what they want it to be. So you just have to get used to that. I don't take it seriously anymore.
It's also difficult to be a hot bachelor in Bollywood, you say?
It's lovely. I'm really enjoying it. I'm really happy about it.
Also, Ileana is an extremely talented actress and you're working with her here. How was it when you first met her on the sets? I'm sure you saw Barfi. So
we actually heard the narration together. So we both got along because we both were laughing and falling on the sofa left and right sitting next to each other. So it started off on a really fun note. And yes, I saw Barfi and I thought she was very good in the film. Actually, everybody was very, very good in the film. It was just a special film. And we got along really well. We have a lot of funny stuff in the film together. So we've done a lot of comedy together. We have a couple of romantic songs and stuff. And she's done a lot of this down south, these all-out masala fun films. She's done a lot of them. So she's very experienced in this space.
Rudrayan Chatraj with camera person Hari. Zoom.